Hello, it's Danielle from Jimmy Britt Chevrolet. Here is the 2016 Buick Cascada you inquired about. It's pretty lovely, huh? This vehicle gets 20 miles per gallon in the city, 27 on the highway. Okay, two-door convertible. Flip chip silver metallic. It's a 4-cylinder, 1.6 liter. Vehicle actually has a remote start as well. So let's cut this bad boy on and hop in the inside. All right, you hear it crank up? Sounds like a champ, doesn't it? Nice rims on that vehicle. Right, let's hop on the inside and take a look. It's got that nice leather in here. Heated and vented seats, as you can see. Nice spacious back seat. Righty. It's got all your steering wheel mounted controls. Very spacious. I'm 5'9" and I'm fitting in here very comfortably. It's got forward collision alert on here as well. Righty. Got that 7-inch display in here, as you can see. And again, as you can see, it's got your turn-by-turn navigation. It's got your Sirius XM radio. You can pair your phone in here so you can
4G connection.
talk and
OnStar button to learn more.
so you can talk and text hands-free. So as you can see, this vehicle is definitely equipped for whatever you need. Got those USB ports in here. Got that power outlet. Those heated and cooled seats, as you can see. Pretty nice. Got that OnStar as well for your automatic crash response. And as well as it has a backup camera. As you can see, it's not warning me not to go anywhere. I got a vehicle right behind me. Alrighty. And again, my name is Danielle here at Jimmy Britt Chevrolet. Let me know if we can work this deal out for you. I don't have much longer to reload this vehicle and get that additional $5,000 off to get you pretty much where you want to be. I know this is the one you like, so let's not waste any time. Let's go ahead and get this deal done. Again, this is Danielle here at Jimmy Britt Chevrolet, and I definitely hope to hear back from you better sooner than later, okay? So contact me back. Thanks. Goodbye.